Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back in. You read the description. Brisket smoked chili, the old-fashioned way. Yeah, on a pellet grill. We're going to use a ZGrills pellet grill today. I'm just joking, but we are going to smoke some chili in there. I'm going to show you a super simple way, folks. I don't have a whole lot of time today to open up a whole lot of cans, so I'm just going to show you some of the best chili that I've ever had. Actually comes out of a bag. And you can see we got some smoke rolling there on the ZGrills. This is a 600 series, did a review of it. Excellent grill, folks. But I'll tell you what, let's make up the chili. Let's get in here and get some smoke on it. And then we got that brisket to put in there. Oh man, brisket chili, outstanding. All right, I know a lot of you are saying, Tom, that's cheating. You're gonna make your chili from scratch. And no, you don't. No. First time I made this stuff, I was like, holy cow, that is darn good chili. Bear Creek, folks, this will make 8 servings, half gallon. You do need one, per the directions, you need, what do we got here? We got 6 ounces of tomato paste, and then you can go crazy from there. I'm going to spice mine up a little bit with some tiger sauce, and I've got some of that, you know, I love this Farm 407 with the pepper in it. And then here's our leftover brisket. We're going to chop this up and put, not all that, but about a quarter of that bag in there. You can put whatever you want. Toward the end, I may even add noodles. I usually cook the noodles on the side and then serve the chili on top of it. But I'm also going to put some corn in there. Oh, you got to be kidding me, right? No, frozen corn. When I get toward the end, so it has a little crunch to it. Oh man, so good. So let's get this going. All right, so I got 7 cups of water in there in my cast iron Dutch oven, folks. And then I put a little bit, about a tablespoon of the tiger sauce in there, and then the Farm 407 in there. And at this point, they're saying you're supposed to bring it to a boil, but we're putting it on the pellet grill. We're gonna let everything do its work in there so we can get the benefit of the smoke. And then once we get that in there for a while and get that good and warmed up, then we'll add the chili mix. And then after that, brisket. All right, folks, the ID on these ZGrills, I tell you what, 225 is what's set at, 225 is what it is. We've been on there for about an hour, and now we're gonna add, see we got some steam coming off there, now we're gonna add our darn good chili mix. Stir it in there. Getting hungry. Let that simmer for about half an hour like that, and then we're gonna add our smoked brisket. All right, 2.5 hours in, folks. Let's take a quick look here. We did add our brisket. And that's gonna, I'll tell you what, I'm just gonna let that go probably for another, maybe another hour yet. Maybe 45 minutes. If you're wondering what kind of pellets I'm using, ZGrills sells a pellet that's an oak pellet. And I'll tell you what, oak pellets, if you can find oak pellets, or go to ZGrills.com, order yourself some oak pellets, but they are phenomenal. Taste from it is just perfect, folks. So I'll tell you what, keep on going here. One of the last things we're going to do is we're going to add that frozen corn, and we're going to let that corn go on there for maybe only about 15 minutes. I want to have a little crunch in the corn. So getting close here, folks. Chili's going to be phenomenal. Smoked chili, yeah, the old-fashioned way, on a pellet grill. All right, folks, just took it off the pellet grill. I did turn up to 300 for the last 30 minutes. Put the lid on too. And we are just ready to put our corn in. Oh man, take a look at that. Pretty good. So we're gonna take our super sweet corn, even though it's frozen. It smells phenomenal. Put some of that in there. Stir it in. If you haven't tried, I always like the frozen corn. It just seems to do a lot nicer in chili. Just like that. Put the lid back on. Cast iron, so it'll hold heat for a while. Let this go for maybe 20 minutes, and then we'll be eating. All right, corn's been in. We've let this go on for about 30 minutes. Remember, this is cast iron, so it holds heat very, very well. And oh man, look at that chili. With the brisket in there. Now we've got our bowl. Noodles here. Elbow macaroni. Stir this up here. And pour it right on top. Oh, you're looking at this and going, oh my gosh, that's gonna be good. It's hot. Look at that. The only thing I'm missing is onions, and I apologize for that. But folks, let's take a taste test, shall we? All right, folks, smoked brisket chili. I'll tell you what. Let's get some brisket in there. Oh man. All right, as I finish, taste the smoke from the pellet grill, folks. That oak pellets from ZGrills. Oh man, got the noodles in there, folks. This is outstanding. You got to give this a shot. Tom Horsman on YouTube. Leave a thumbs up, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.